Getting your paint to stick right the first time is a total game changer and saves you tons of headaches later. So, the biggest thing to remember is cleaning the surface really well before you even think about slapping on paint. If there's dirt, grease, or old flaky paint, the new stuff just won't stick properly. Next, always grab a primer that matches your surface type. Wood, metal, drywall, whatever. Because it helps the paint grip better and last longer. Don't rush the drying times either. Letting primer dry fully before painting means less peeling down the road. Also, sanding the surface lightly can make a huge difference by giving the paint something to cling to. If you're painting over something glossy, rough it up a bit with sandpaper so the primer and paint don't slide right off. Using quality brushes or rollers designed for your paint type can seriously improve how smooth and even your coat looks. Finally, don't forget to check humidity and temperature, because painting in bad weather can mess with adhesion big time. One of the biggest mistakes people make when paint doesn't stick is skipping the cleaning step. Grease or dust left on there is like a big no-no for paint adhesion. Fix that by using soap and water or a degreaser before you start. Another common issue is not using the right primer, like applying latex primer on metal surfaces can cause peeling fast. Make sure you pick primers formulated for your exact surface. Third, a lot of folks either paint too soon or too late over primer. Either way can mess up the bond. The fix? Follow the product instructions closely for drying times before adding paint. BigHomeProjects.com is an awesome spot that helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who actually know their stuff. Plus, it's great for contractors looking to get real work from people who need their skills.